Hello, everyone. Okay, guys, listen. So what we're going to show you is we're going to show you how to take a table of values for weighted mean and use it on the calculator. And we're going to do two things. We're first going to show you how do you find how can you put formulas into your lists inside of TI-84. And the second thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to find individual sums. Okay, so check this out. So in here, inside of your calculator, what you're going to do first off is you're going to go and you are going to put those numbers inside. Remember, the scores are the X's, the percentages are the W's. So if I press stat and I go to edit, like we talked about, either press the number 1 or just press enter because you're highlighting that. And you'll see that inside of my lists, I put 85, 80, 100, 90, and 93. In the other list, I didn't put the percentages. I actually put the decimals, okay? Now, once they're all there, we said that you can put a formula into the last column. The last column is going to be, it's going to be L1 times L2, okay? So here's how you do it. Head over to L3, go up over top of L3 so it's highlighted, and now I can type in a formula. We want to multiply L1 with L2. Well, how do you do that? You type in second, the number 1, gives you L1. I'm going to multiply it, and you're just looking right down here at the bottom of the screen, second L2. When I press enter, it will insert that formula, and in all elements of that list will be the product of L1 and L2, okay? Now, our job here to find out what that weighted mean is, we have to go and find the sum of the products and divide it by the sum of the weights. So it's the sum of L3 divided by the sum of L2. Well, there's a sum function here too. So I'm going to press second quit to go out to the main screen, and I want to do the sum of L3 times the sum of L2. Divided by the sum of L2. So I'm going to go in, watch this. I'm going to press second stat, and then over at math, there's a sum button. So I'm going to go down to number 5. And remember, I want to do the sum of L3, close your parenthesis, and I'm going to divide it by second stat over to find that sum of L2. Once I do that and I press enter, there goes my mean, my weighted mean, okay? Now, if I tell you that I want to see those individual parts, you can go in here and then just, instead of doing it all together, I could just delete all that stuff. And now if I press the sum of L3, it gives me 89 divided by the sum of L2. I'll still give you 89, okay? Trying to end my screencastify. Okay, click. Oh, there it goes.